Author mentions five common themes. One is follow the heart. Visionary leaders and great innovators follow the feeling in their heart. They know without knowing. Visionary leaders see what isn't yet there and create what does not yet exist. Sight is a function of your eyes, but vision is a function of your heart. Through their imagination, they can draw future possibilities for their organization and country. Visionary leaders balance vision with action. Never give up despite challenging situation. Failure is an essential part of life. Have unwavering courage. Never lose sight of the purpose. Stay true to core values. Believe in the impossible. You cannot allow your life to be ruled by people and events. You must own your leadership by empowering and pushing yourself to follow your dream and feeling in your heart. Leadership is about people. It's about inspiring people to believe that the impossible is possible. It is about developing and building people to perform at heights they never imagined. Establish a compelling direction, a vision for the future, and the strategies for how to get there. Leaders create a circle of safety for their team, and in return, they are people giving everything they have got to protect and advance the well being of one another, their leader, and their organization. When people are valued, it's incredible how their whole aura shines brightly. They feel a sense of importance, and it gives them the inspiration to produce their very best work. When Pepsi CEO Indra Nooyi traveled to visit her mother after being made CEO, the whole family appreciated Indra Nooyi's mother for raising her. This triggered Indra Nooyi to send a letter thanking the parents and spouses of her executives. When you show your employees the simplest of gratitude and you genuinely make your employees' family part of the company. As a leader, I must love them. Love is loyalty. Love is teamwork. Love respects the dignity of the individual. Author explains the three L's of leadership: love, listen, and leap. Employees should get a feeling like we could go through walls for this man. Employees want openness from others. They want to be understood, appreciated, and communicated with. Companies now are purpose and value driven, strive to provide a work life balance, flexible work hours, and host of other things. Team emotions are magnetic, touching the most buried feeling inside of the resources. Inspirational leaders are capable of transmitting a message to each person on their team. A positive impact on your community, your company, your department, your employees, and by extension, the world. Encapsulate the spirit of servant leadership. A leader with a servant's heart is a truly invaluable asset. They work tirelessly to develop his or her people and is focused on what they can do for others. As a leader, change your mindset, lead by example, make the environment safe to give your team a safe place to share their ideas and opinions without malice, judgment, and victimization. Build a culture of leadership throughout the entire company, not just those with VP or chief in their titles, but all their people to think and act like. How you react to crisis shows your real character as a leader. As an inspirational leader, you cannot have an unpredictable leadership character, one that changes with every passing wind. In Apple, Steve Jobs was showing immature leadership and was unpredictable every day. His character was very questionable, and people were not sure which Steve Jobs will show up to the office daily. Schultz returned as Starbucks CEO in 2007 during the worst decline in the company history. With tears in his eyes, Schultz emotionally said to all employees, "If the company does not change, Starbucks as a company will be no more." Vulnerability is hardly a trait many leaders race to embrace, but it can build deeper relationships and inspirational leaders balance charisma with collaboration, confidence with virtue, and influence with transparency. Who is a pseudo inspirational leader who has self advancement? Decision making is always pragmatic. Ethical standards are compromised. Strategy takes priority over relationship. Everything has a price tag. Lack of imagination, emphasis of title, negative self talk. A genuine leader will envision a more desirable future, seeks consensus, and is empathetic, respects differences, and develops independent followers, unites through internalization of mission and values, is self sacrificing and trustworthy. Cognitive dissonance always produces discomfort, and in response, many people try to reduce it by blaming others for their actions. You lead by example and you are comfortable with the uncertainty that leadership can bring and as such you are flexible in adapting to new challenges and nimble in adjusting to sudden change. They see opportunity in situations where others would see a setback and lead others positively. From diverse backgrounds and cultures to create an atmosphere of respect, helpfulness, and cooperation. Never act like do as I say, but not as I do. Develop a boundaryless organization. Inspire purpose, not profit. Purpose is an aspirational reason for being that is grounded in humanity and inspires action. Leaders must help their staff connect the dots by explaining the big picture to all. When employees care, when they are engaged, they use discretionary effort. TD Jake's son said, "Dad, suppose I throw everything at it and it's really not the thing I want to do." And TD Jakes replied, "Don't worry about it, son. If it is not the thing, it will be the thing that leads to the thing." The feeling of purpose and meaning is enough to propel us. When you know your why, then your what has more impact because you are working towards your purpose. Monroe said the biggest tragedy in life is not death, it is life without a purpose. People don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. Adventure in the emotions of employees. Look for ways to radically alter the status quo and scan the environment for new and fresh ideas.